choice.
Have you ever stopped to think about how many hours a day you spend sitting, leaning forward, or looking down at a screen? Most people do not realize that posture affects far more than just the back and neck. It influences your energy levels, breathing, focus, and even your confidence. In this video, you will learn why good posture is about much more than standing up straight and how it impacts your entire body. In the next few minutes, you will discover what good posture actually means, why so many people struggle with back and shoulder pain, how poor posture can lead to chronic fatigue and tension, and most importantly, how you can improve your posture step by step in everyday life without complicated exercises or special equipment. Good posture means your body is aligned in a way that minimizes stress on your joints and muscles. Your head is stacked over your shoulders. Your shoulders are relaxed and slightly back and down. Your spine follows its natural curves. Your weight is evenly distributed. When posture is balanced, the body works more efficiently and with less effort. The problem is that modern life constantly pushes us toward poor posture. Long hours at a computer, looking down at a phone, lack of movement, and weak back muscles all contribute. Over time, these habits change how we stand and move, often without us even noticing. Poor posture is not just an aesthetic issue. When the head shifts forward, the load on the neck increases significantly. This leads to tension, headaches, and stiffness. Rounded shoulders limit the movement of the rib cage and make breathing more shallow. As a result, the body takes in less oxygen, which directly affects energy and concentration. Many people associate lower back and neck pain with aging, but in reality, poor posture is often the main cause. When the spine is not properly aligned, some muscles are constantly overworked while others become weak. This imbalance gradually leads to chronic pain. Posture also affects mental and emotional well-being. Studies show that upright posture can improve confidence and reduce feelings of stress. When you stand tall, the brain receives signals of stability and self-assurance. Slouched posture, on the other hand, is often linked to fatigue and low motivation. If this information has been helpful so far, take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. This helps the content reach more people and supports the creation of more practical videos like this one. Let us continue with how posture affects the entire musculoskeletal system. The spine is the central axis of the body. When it is properly aligned, movement feels smooth and pain-free. When it is misaligned or under constant strain, the effects go beyond the back and neck. The hips, knees, and even the feet can be affected. One of the most common mistakes is sitting for long periods without breaks. Even with good posture, staying still for too long causes muscles to fatigue and the body to collapse into poor alignment. That is why it is important to stand up regularly, move around, and change positions throughout the day. Another frequent issue is screen height. When a monitor is too low, the head naturally moves forward. Over time, this can lead to what is often called tech neck, where the neck muscles remain under constant tension. Simply raising the screen to eye level can make a significant difference. Shoulder position is also important. Many people unconsciously lift their shoulders or round them forward. Try checking in throughout the day and gently relaxing your shoulders back and down. This reduces neck tension and allows for deeper, easier breathing. Maintaining good posture does not mean being stiff or tense. The goal is balance and ease. Your body should feel stable but relaxed. Forcing yourself to sit or stand straight all the time will quickly lead to fatigue. Focus on building habits, not using force. A helpful strategy is to link posture awareness to daily activities. For example, every time you sit down, pick up your phone or stand in line. Small reminders throughout the day lead to meaningful changes over time. The long-term benefits of good posture are significant. Less back and neck pain, deeper and calmer breathing, more energy throughout the day, better confidence and smoother movement. These are not instant results, but the outcome of consistency and awareness. Good posture is a process, not a one-time effort. The earlier you start paying attention to how you stand and move, the easier it is to prevent future problems. The body has an incredible ability to adapt when given the right signals. In conclusion, good posture is not just a habit. It is an investment in your health. It influences how you feel, how you move, and how you perceive yourself. Start with small changes today. Over time, they will become a natural part of your daily life, and you will feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Share whether you experience posture-related discomfort and what you would like to learn more about.
Support us by liking and subscribing.